This is a Raptor 660.
Oh.
It
Big
it turns over, but it won't crank. Okay. We got the Shade Tree Mechanic. Say what's up. What's up, Shade Tree Mechanic?
We know
this is
why
his
it won't
partner.
turn over.
This is his partner here. And look right here.
And maybe the darn hoses ain't connected to the carburetor.
Okay. Hose ain't connected to carburetor.
See, right there, that's the carburetor. The hose is way over here.
Alright. You see that?
That's why
it should be up on that lip. There's a lip right there. It should be up on that lip. We've checked the fuse right here. The fuses we've checked them. This is an idler, a rev limiter. Rev limiter. The battery we got. We got to put jumper cables to it to crank it, but we're not talking about. I mean,
man, we got up tight there for a second.
You look at the videos on here. A lot of people do that. Man, I seen a video on here that the man had a small battery, like a little 9-volt RC car battery or something.
The darn thing right here. That's probably what it was. When I was popping wheels, that thing done bounced loose.
Well, how you think you're gonna put it back in there?
I gotta take this. I should be able to slide it on there.
Without taking anything off?
Let's
push it down.
Put the aftermarket chain on there. You see the blue aftermarket chain? I did that. Or the Shade Tree Mechanic did that.
We got aftermarket pipe.
You for real put that blue chain on there?
Aftermarket pipe.
Oh, had me all hyped up. I was like, where that thing is nice.
She's a beast.
It's not that big.
Yeah, she's a beast.
It's slow.
Truck. This is where we ride at. We ride out there.
Where did you start wheeling from right here?
Yeah, we start with.